Using Spreadsheet Server has always been about saving you time and effort in your reporting. So if you are hard-coding parameters in your report templates, it's time to take a look at Spreadsheet Server segment lists. Harnessing the power of segment lists allows users to create groups of parameters to use in Spreadsheet Server reports. These groups can be made up of any segment, such as account, company, department, cost center, sub-account, and more. Segment lists can be created using ranges, wildcards, exclusions, lists, or any other combination necessary for the required reporting. Reporting hierarchies can be complex to create, especially when different user groups have varying reporting needs. The Spreadsheet Server segment list function allows users to create their own hierarchies with segment lists. For example, referencing two segment lists to create a higher-level summary grouping. New Expand by Segment capabilities enable users to build custom hierarchies and drill paths for other Spreadsheet Server users. Segment list definitions are updated centrally. This means that when segment lists are used in reports, users can be confident that the most updated segment list definitions are always reflected in all Spreadsheet Server reporting. Reporting at a summary level has never been so easy. Segment lists and grouping are available on Spreadsheet Server versions 14.7 and higher. Log in to globalsoftwareinc.com to upgrade today.